Let's see how to use inbox teams and customer support agents to effectively handle customer conversations from multiple channels, such as from your website or social media such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or even through the SMS as well. To the account over here. So here, if we go to settings, so let me click on settings and open this in a new tab, and in settings you have the option of admins. So here you can actually invite your customer support agents to your account, and from there they will be able to use the omnichannel inbox to handle any sort of conversation. So even before you create any sort of inbox team, such as you can have a customer support agents team of sales support, or you can actually create your own inbox customer support teams to handle conversation effectively. So basically before that you have to actually invite your customer support agents to your account through this admins option over here. So if I click on manage over here, in admins you have the option to add new admins. So here you can actually customize the permissions as well. So if you provide a super admin access to your agents or customer support people, then they will actually have full access to your accounts. Suppose if you want to limit their permissions, so here if you untick this one, you will have all these options. For example, if you want them to handle only the inbox and you don't want to see access other features, you can simply untick all these things right here, and they can only access the contact inbox or right there. So if you click continue, it will simply generate a link right here. You can simply provide this link or send this particular link to your agents. So from that link they will be actually joined right here. Suppose if you want to invite your partner to your account, you can simply create a super admin link and simply send it to your partners or the people who actually manage your chatbot accounts. So that's how you actually invite your admins or agents there. So here in this account we have a few agents as you see here, and each of the agent can control how they receive admin or agent notifications as well. For example, if I click on chatting media right here and click on edit, here the email notifications will be sent to this particular email, and they can also even add their phone number as well. So here they can even add their phone number as well. So if you want to send any sort of SMS notification in channels, you will have to connect your SMS channel, and here you can actually see the notification type when they want to receive the notifications, and here they can choose the notification channels as well. So here if they choose SMS and if they have the phone number right here, then they will receive SMS to their mobile number as well. So likewise they can choose the notification channels as well. So that's how they can actually control on what channels they want to receive these sort of admin notifications. And now let's see how to create the inbox teams. So if you have to go back over here, and here you have the option for the inbox teams. So here you can create, so here in inbox teams you can actually create different teams and assign team members or admins there as well. So here for example we have 3 teams right here: billing, sales, and support. For each of these teams you can actually assign team members as well. For example, for billing we have these 3 members right here. So you can even add new people there from the admin list you have, and also you can actually remove the existing one as well. So if you're wondering how to create a new team, let's name the team as test team, just test. And here when you create a new team, you can actually add the members over there. For example, let me create a test team and let me assign the member chatting media agent right there, and click continue. So here we have created a new test team with these team members. So if you want to add a new team member, you can simply do that as well, as you see here. And what happens is that when you receive a customer support request, you can actually assign those requests to specific teams or even agents as well. So let me show that in a minute over here. So let me actually delete this test team right here. I don't need it. So we have 3 teams right here. So let's see how to assign conversation to these teams or agents as well. So here let me go to the flows section over here, and let's use a free template. So here let's use the AI chatbot lead generation plus customer support template. So here I want to keep the original right here, so let me actually duplicate this one. So click on duplicate. So it should actually create a duplicate of the same template, so you can actually rename this one. So let me say inbox teams demo and click continue. So here I duplicate this one and rename this flow as well. So let me open this particular flow right here, and here you just need to update whatever the business information right here. So here we have some business information already about a dental company, I guess. Yes, Smile Center for Kids. So we can simply use the same information right here. So the main idea is to show you how to use the inbox teams. So here, whenever a particular customer asks any sort of questions about this particular dental care center, it simply answer the question. This is the response will be sent to the customer. So now we can also have specific buttons as well, pushing customers to talk with your customer support agents or teams as well. For example, let's have a button right here, and let me name this one as talk to sales, and let me have another button as talk to billing team. Let's have these two buttons for now. So here, when someone actually taps on this button talk to sales, here you have the action, or you can simply add action right here. Let me delete this one, and here you can simply assign this conversation. So here inbox, and here you can simply assign the conversation. So here you can choose assign conversation to an admin, and here you have the option to assign the conversation directly to a team as well. So if you assign this conversation to the sales team, what happens is that all the people in your sales team will get notified that you have received a new request, and from there they can jump in the inbox and chat with the customer as well. And let me do the same thing for the billing as well. So here when someone taps on billing team, we want to assign this conversation to the billing as well. The people in the billing team will be get notified. So let me click save over here, and let me actually use this as the default reply. So here inbox teams demo. So we have to make sure to set this as a default reply before you test this chatbot. So here default reply inbox teams demo right here. All right, so let me share my phone screen right here, and let me send a message over here and see what happens. So it should actually send us a response, and it should also show us two buttons as you see here, talk to sales, talk to billing team. So let me ask a question. Where are you located? And again it will send us a response and also show us two options as well. And whatever the conversation happening right here can be easily tracked on the omnichannel inbox as well. So here if I open the omnichannel inbox, and as you see here, this is what it says, and here the conversation, it's only provide an option to assign the conversation. So here if I share my phone screen right here, and let me tap on this button talk to billing team and see what happens, and it will simply internally assign the conversation to a billing team. And as you see here, it says assign to billing, and all the agents on the billing team will be get notified, and they can jump in and talk with the customer as well. So for example, let me send a message right here, hi, and the customer will receive the message right there. So this time it will be simply assigned to the billing team right there. So as you see, it says billing, it's assigned to the team of billing right here. And as I mentioned, you can also assign the conversation to specific agents, or you can randomly assign conversations as well. So here, instead of assigning to a specific team, what you can do is you can actually automatically assign to a specific agent as well. So here actions, inbox, and here you have the option to auto assign conversation to an admin. So let's say in the billing team we have these three members, Christian Rose, Mark Luke, and Christian Caston. So what you can do here is that you can easily assign this conversation to Christian Rock and Mark Luke. So if you choose auto assign conversation to an admin, it simply assign this particular conversation to only one of these agents right here. So let me remove this one and click publish. So now when we test this one, and if someone actually taps on the talk to billing team, this conversation will be assigned to only one of these agents right here. And let me show how this actually works. So before that, let me actually remove the assignment from billing and activate the chatbot as well. All right, so now if I share my phone screen right here and let me send a message, hey, and let's see what happens. So we should actually receive a response. And now if I tap on this button, talk to billing team, the conversation will be assigned to one of the agents we set up. Let's see what happens. So as you see here, this conversation is assigned to Mark Luke. So here, Mark Luke is one of the agent we set up right here. It's simply assigned. So for the, let's say a particular another customer chat with there, and it will be simply assigned to another agent based on the availability. Simple as that. So that's how you can actually create admins and customer support agents and also manage inbox teams. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.